Benefitfocus went public today at the NASDAQ, and boy, what a day. The company had planned to raise $103 million. Well, they ended up raising $131 million. They raised their offering price. It was originally going to be $23 in that mid-range. They priced it at $26.50. The stock shot up on its first day of trading, opened at $42.50. It's now trading near $48. Joining me is the CEO, Shawn Jenkins. So, Shawn, you must be thrilled with this first day.
Well, thank you for having us. We're very excited. Obviously, at Benefitfocus, we're very passionate about our technology and serving our customers. And what a big milestone for all the associates at Benefitfocus today to be, listing here and such a great reception. So we are very thrilled. We're very excited for a big milestone for our company today.
Now, you're a Goldman Sachs subsidiary, and Goldman owns 66% of the stock, but they sold half of that, 33%. Do you think they're kicking themselves now? They should have kept it.
Oh, well, yeah, so I'm one of the founders, and the founders still really lead the company, and Goldman has supported our growth through an investment back in 2007. They've actually done quite well in helping us grow the company, and so I think they're real happy today. They're still a big part of our shareholder base and a big part of our story going forward, but I think there's just a lot of happy folks today as we get the Benefitfocus story out and people hear it and understand how we're modernizing benefits by moving it to the cloud and improving both the employer insurance carriers by helping them really get great technology to manage this enormous employer benefits industry.
Now, I am concerned about your deficit because I saw that you accumulated quite a large deficit, like $187 million, and your gross margins are fairly low. So I'm a little concerned that you're going to have to do a whole lot of business to make up that deficit.
Well, we've been aggressively growing the company. Benefitfocus is experiencing some tremendous accelerating growth. We've actually operated the company on a cash flow positive basis from operations through 2012. But really in the last year or so, we've begun to spend some of that cash that we've built up over the years to expand our employer business. We have one platform. We sell it to two markets, both insurance carriers and large employers. And with the tailwinds that we're experiencing from moving to defined contribution in these private exchanges, the adoption of our technology, particularly in the employer space, we really feel as a management team it's really focused on growth right now.
Do you have a plan on when you might break even?
Well, again, we have less than 2% market penetration in our large employer space. There's over 18,000 large employers in the U.S. We have 348 of them, and that number is growing significantly. So, we think, a pretty long runway, a pretty big green field for us for growth, and so we're going to continue to focus on that growth.
All right. Is Goldman Sachs still going to be a part of your team?
Oh, sure. They're still a big shareholder. They still represent a great part of our story. Obviously can't speak to what they might do going forward, but they're just great partners of ours and big supporters of our story going forward.
All right. And what is your plan for this year? What's your big goal?
Well, our big goal is to really penetrate this large employer market with our new product offerings, with our expanded sales and marketing team. At the same time, our insurance care business is doing quite fantastic. We're really bringing new marketplace, or what we refer to as the transition to retail and benefits. And you can see this happening across the country, where insurance carriers and employers really need to bring a new modern way to communicating the benefits, to complying with the healthcare reform, to really adapting to allow the employee to configure and design their own benefits. And the Benefitfocus platform through our marketplace technology really enables that for both of these markets.
All right. Well, congratulations on your first day of trading. That is CEO Shawn Jenkins of Benefitfocus. And I'm Deborah Borchardt with TheStreet.